My name is Akshit Kark, and I have created the project Customer Churn Prediction, where I am predicting whether the customer will leave the company or not. So we have started by importing several libraries, and then I have imported my data, customer churn.csv. Here I have used the df.add function where I am showing several tuples of my data. Then I have used the df.drop command where I am dropping the columns which are not necessary for my project like customer ID. Then coming to uh, here we can see that our total charges is in the string format. To work with our data, we have to convert it into numerical format. So we use the two numeric function of the pandas which converts the string data type to numeric data type. And then coming to this is our data cleaning part. Now coming to the visuals, we have plotted several visuals to understand our data better. Like here we plotted the pie chart which shows that there are a lot of customers who are willing to leave the company, and there is very small amount of customers who are not leaving the company. This is a bar chart which shows that there is very less dependency on the gender. That customer will leave or not, it will not depend on the gender, like because male and female are having the equal distribution. So these are more graphs that we can see here. Coming to here, this is the correlation heat map that we plotted between our three features like tenure, monthly charges, and total charges. If the correlation value is close to one, then it shows that that the features are very correlated to each other. Like here, the value is 0.25, so tenure and monthly charges are not correlated. Now coming to encoding part here, as I told that we need the data in the numerical format, so we are converting all the string values into numeric. Like here, we are having the no and yes values, so we need to convert no to one and yes to one and no to zero. Like so, here we use the label encoding here, and for the columns that are having more than two unique values, for that we need to use one hot encoding. Like here we use the one hot encoding. This is the get dummies function of the pandas, which is used to encode the data into one hot encoding. The one hot encoding adds new columns to our data. Like here, the new columns added are internet services underscore DSL, internet services underscore fiber optics. These columns are added newly to our column, newly to our dataset. Now coming next to our project, here we handled our imbalanced dataset. As we know that there are so many customers who want to churn, but there are very less number of customers who did not churn. So we need to balance that. For this, we use the oversampling by importing smart in our project. As we can see that the number of customers to be churned and not to be churned are balanced. Here we perform train test split in our data. Like 80% customers are used for training and 20% data is used for testing purpose. Here we perform the feature scaling, converted all the values in between 0 and 1. Now here we are exploring more about our data. It shows that the tenure and churn are linear, are having is having a little bit of linear relationship. Like here, if the tenure is high, then the probability of churning of the customer is very less. So this is a linear relationship. Now coming to our models. Here we have implemented our models like logistic regression. We have implemented and got the accuracy of 0.83%. I mean 83% accuracy. This is our correlation matrix. Sorry, confusion matrix. It shows that 878 and 854 predictions from our total data are correct. These are our total correct predictions, and these are our wrong predictions that our model made. Similarly, we used decision tree. Here we got 81% accuracy. We use random forest. Here we also plotted the feature importance graph for random forest. It shows that the monthly charges is the most important feature for random forest model, and phone services is the least important feature. Similarly, we plotted the KNN model, XGBoost model, and we also plotted the neural networks model here. Here we use 20 epochs. Now coming to model comparison. Now we have plotted around 5 to 6 models for our project, and we need to compare them which will perform the best in our scenario. Like here, it is shown that XGBoost is performing the best. Like it is having the 84% accuracy, whereas KNN is having 76% accuracy, which is very less. So this shows the plot like which shows that XGBoost is having the highest accuracy. So for our project, we will consider our XGBoost model because it is giving the highest accuracy, and other metrics are also very good for this model. Thank you.